If you're looking for a fast, modern, and professional publishing platform, Ghost is one of the best options available. Unlike WordPress, Ghost is built specifically for blogging, newsletters, and content publishing, making it lightweight, incredibly fast, and easy to manage. In this video, I'll show you how to install Ghost 5 CMS on Ubuntu 26.04 using MySQL as the database and Caddy as the web server. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a production-ready Ghost website secured with automatic HTTPS. Let's get started. First, log into your Ubuntu server via SSH and update the system. We'll be installing Ghost on my Kamatera VPS server. Ghost supports both MySQL and MariaDB, but today we'll use MySQL. Install it by running this command. Before creating the Ghost database, it's a good idea to secure your MySQL installation. A fresh MySQL server includes some default settings that are convenient for testing but aren't recommended for a production server. Run the MySQL security script. The script will guide you through several security options. Once the installation finishes, enable and start the service. Verify that MySQL is running by using this command. Now we need to create a dedicated database and user for Ghost. Log into MySQL. This command creates a new user. Change your strong password to your own password. Create a new database by running this command. Let us now install node.js. Ghost requires node.js. It relies on Node as its server-side runtime environment. Once installed, verify the installation by checking the node's version. Now install the Caddy web server. Caddy serves as our reverse proxy and web server for Ghost. It handles SSL/TLS certificates automatically and directs web traffic to the Ghost application. Next, start and enable Caddy by running this command. Check status by running this command. You should see active running in the output. Press Q to exit. Before we install Ghost CMS, we first need to install Ghost CLI globally. Ghost CLI is the official command line tool that simplifies installing, configuring, managing, and updating your Ghost website. Installing it now ensures that the Ghost 5 CMS installation process on Ubuntu is straightforward and runs without any issues. Ghost should never run as root. Create a dedicated user. Create the Ghost directory and set permissions. Next, log in as Ghost user. Install Ghost using the following command. Since Ubuntu 26.04 is new, you might encounter this issue. Ubuntu's Node Core Pack package has a bug or incompatibility that caused the error. Switch to the Ghost account and try running the command again. The CLI will now prompt you for your local MySQL credentials that you set earlier. You can access Ghost locally using the URL provided, but to access it from the internet, we'll use Caddy as a reverse proxy. To configure Caddy as a reverse proxy, edit the following file with a text editor like Nano. Replace everything in the file with this, substitute your actual domain. If you do not have a domain, you can purchase one from Namecheap. The link is in the video description. Save the file by pressing Ctrl plus the letter O, then press Enter. Now restart the Caddy service by running this command. Caddy will automatically obtain and install SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt for your domain. Now access your Ghost admin panel to complete the setup. Enter your site name, email, and credentials. Once you click Create Account and start publishing, you'll be redirected to the Ghost admin dashboard. To fix the request made from incorrect origin error, you need to change the configured URL in your Ghost CMS setup from its default local address to match your live domain. And that's it. You now have Ghost 5 CMS running on Ubuntu 26.04 with MySQL powering the database and Caddy serving your site with automatic HTTPS. This setup is fast, secure, and perfect for personal blogs, newsletters, documentation websites, or even professional publishing platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Linux and self-hosting tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.